Pontiac Firebird, 1967A 2002, focusing on the engine, interior, mirror sets, and front side details. The review provides insights across the different generations of this classic American muscle car. Pontiac Firebird, 1967A 2002. A detailed review overview. The Pontiac Firebird, produced from 1967 until 2002, is a quintessential American muscle car with a rich legacy that evolved through 4 generations. It was known for its aggressive styling, powerful engine options, and a strong enthusiast following. Each generation brought distinct design and performance traits while retaining the Firebird's signature boldness. Engine power across the generations. First generation, 1967A 1969. The original Firebird debuted with a range of inline 6 and V8 engines, including the potent 400 cubic inches, 6.6 liters, V8 borrowed from the GTO. The 1969 Firebird 400 Ram Air 4 was a beast, offering up to 370 horsepower and serious street cred. Second generation, 1970A 1981. This era saw a significant design overhaul and the rise of the Trans Am submodel. The 455 Super Duty V8 introduced in 1973 is a standout, offering brutal torque and a deep growl. Despite tightening emissions regulations, Pontiac engineers kept performance alive. Third generation, 1982A 1992. Here, the focus shifted slightly toward fuel efficiency and tech. Engines ranged from modest 4-cylinder units to the high-output 5.7 liters, 350 cubic inches, V8s. Notably, the DPI, tuned port injection, 305 and 350 V8s brought modern fuel delivery to the mix. Fourth generation, 1993A 2002. This generation featured sleek, aerodynamic styling and performance that rivaled contemporary Corvettes. The highlight is the 5.7 liters LS1 V8, from 1998A 2002. Delivering 305A 325 horsepower in the Trans Am WS6 a true performance bargain. Interior, muscle with comfort style. Early models, 1967A 1979. The interiors were typical of late 60s/early 70s muscle cars, functional, driver-focused, but not luxurious. Deep bucket seats, wood grain accents, and rally gauges added flair, especially in higher trims like the Trans Am 1980 SAR 1990s models. Interiors improved in ergonomics and materials. Digital dashboards made brief appearances in the 80s, and supportive bucket seats became the norm. By the fourth generation, the Firebird offered leather upholstery, monsoon audio systems, and driver-focused center stacks, appealing to both performance lovers and daily drivers. Mirror sets, subtle but stylish evolution. Classic Firebirds, 1967A 1976. Mirrors were small, chrome-plated, and manual. They suited the vintage design and had a simple, round rectangular look that matched the car's understated aggressiveness. Late second to fourth gen, 1977A 2002. Later models adopted body-colored, more aerodynamic side mirrors. Power adjustability became available in the 1980s. Rear-view mirrors gained features like map lights and auto-dimming functions by the A90s, improving day-to-day usability. Front-side details, a design signature. First gen, the split grille with quad headlights gave it a menacing presence. Chrome bumpers, slight bulges in the hood, and prominent Firebird badging made it instantly recognizable. Second gen. This generation embraced smoother lines, shaker hoods, especially on Trans Am models, and the iconic screaming chicken hood decal, which became a muscle car icon. 3rd Gen, sharp angles, pop-up headlights, and flush surfaces reflected 1980s aero trends. While controversial at first, the design aged into a retro-futuristic favorite. 4th Gen, the most aggressive styling yet, with integrated bumpers, sleek projector headlights, and a wide, low stance. The WS6 package added a functional ram air hood scoop and wider front fascia, which gave the car unmistakable street presence. Conclusion: the Pontiac Firebird was more than just a muscle car, it was a statement. From raw 400 cubic inch monsters of the late 60s to the refined yet ferocious LS1 equipped models of the early 2000s, the Firebird consistently delivered style and performance. The evolution of its engine lineup, interior design, mirror features, and front-end styling tells a story of adaptation and resilience through changing automotive eras. Even 2 decades after its retirement, the Firebird remains a beloved symbol of American performance.